Welcome to this session on tools and platforms in prompt engineering. In today's AI-driven world, prompt engineering is not just about writing prompts. It is about choosing the right tools to design, test, automate, and deploy AI solutions effectively. In this session, we will explore the most popular AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity AI, Hugging Face, Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, GitHub Copilot, Zapier, Make, and N8N. By the end of this session, you will understand what each platform is used for, when to use it, and how to select the right tool for different business and development tasks. Let's get started. Before we begin exploring the platforms, let's look at our learning outcomes. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the most popular AI tools used in prompt engineering and understand the purpose of each one. You will also learn real business use cases, so you'll know where tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and other AI platforms fit into different workflows. Finally, you'll be able to choose the right platform for the right task, whether it's content creation, coding, research, automation, or enterprise AI solutions. Let's start by exploring the key AI tools used in prompt engineering. AI tools are essential because they help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently throughout the prompt engineering process. First, they help us create high-quality prompts quickly, reducing the time spent on trial and error. Next, they allow us to test and evaluate AI responses, making it easier to improve accuracy and reliability. Many AI platforms also help automate repetitive tasks, saving time and increasing consistency. Ultimately, the right AI tools improve productivity and enable individuals and organizations to build better AI-powered solutions. Let's begin with ChatGPT, one of the most widely used AI tools in prompt engineering. ChatGPT is highly versatile and supports a wide range of tasks. It can generate articles, emails, reports, and social media content, making it ideal for content creation. It is also excellent for brainstorming, helping users generate ideas, outlines, and creative solutions. For developers, ChatGPT provides coding assistance, including writing, explaining, and debugging code. In addition, it helps with business writing such as drafting proposals, meeting summaries, and professional communications, making it a valuable productivity tool across many industries. Next is Google Gemini, Google's advanced multimodal AI platform. Gemini is excellent for research, helping users analyze information and summarize large amounts of content quickly. It also improves business productivity by assisting with emails, documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. A major advantage is its seamless Google Workspace integration, allowing it to work directly with tools like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive. Finally, Gemini supports multimodal AI, meaning it can understand and generate text, images, audio, and other types of content, making it a powerful tool for both individuals and businesses. Now let's look at Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is especially strong at long document analysis, making it ideal for reviewing contracts, research papers, and lengthy reports. It also excels at report writing, producing clear, well-structured, and professional documents. Another key strength is summarization, where it can quickly condense large amounts of information into concise and easy-to-understand insights. Finally, Claude is widely used for business communication, helping create polished emails, proposals, and professional messages with a natural and accurate writing style. Next is Microsoft Copilot, an AI assistant designed for the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Copilot helps professionals work more efficiently by integrating directly into everyday applications. In Word, it can draft, rewrite, and summarize documents. In Excel, it analyzes data, creates formulas, and generates insights. In PowerPoint, it quickly builds presentations from simple prompts, while in Outlook, It helps draft emails and summarize long conversations. It also supports Microsoft Teams by creating meeting summaries, action items, and follow-up notes, making collaboration faster and more productive. Another valuable tool is Perplexity AI, which combines AI with real-time web search to deliver source-based answers. It is especially useful for AI-powered search, helping users find accurate and up-to-date information quickly. Perplexity is widely used for research, as it provides references and citations alongside its responses. It is also excellent for quick information gathering, making it a great choice for students, researchers, and professionals who need reliable answers in less time. Finally, let's look at two important platforms for testing and experimentation. Google AI Studio is designed for quickly testing prompts with Gemini. It allows you to experiment with different prompt styles, compare responses, and refine outputs before using them in real applications. Vertex AI, on the other hand, is Google's enterprise AI platform. It is used to deploy AI models, manage prompts at scale, and build production-ready AI applications. Together, these platforms help prompt engineers move from simple experiments to real-world AI solutions. Another important platform is Hugging Face, the leading hub for open-source AI. It allows developers to explore thousands of open-source AI models for different tasks. You can test language models directly in your browser to compare their performance and capabilities. It also helps you build AI applications using pre-trained models, datasets, and powerful developer tools, making it an essential platform for AI experimentation and innovation. Another valuable tool is GitHub Copilot, an AI coding assistant built for developers. It can generate code from natural language prompts, helping you turn ideas into working code quickly. As you type, it provides real-time code suggestions and completions, making development faster and reducing repetitive work. Overall, GitHub Copilot boosts developer productivity by helping write, debug, and improve code, allowing developers to focus more on solving problems than writing boilerplate code. Finally, let's look at automation platforms that connect AI with real business workflows. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that connects different applications and automates repetitive tasks without programming. Make provides a visual workflow builder, making it easy to design and manage complex automation processes. N8N is an open-source automation platform that offers greater flexibility and customization for developers. These tools help prompt engineers integrate AI into everyday business processes, improving efficiency and reducing manual work. As prompt engineering grows, prompt management tools become increasingly important. These tools help you store prompts so they can be reused easily, organize them into structured libraries, and maintain version control to track changes and improvements over time. They also make it easy to collaborate, allowing teams to share, refine, and manage prompts efficiently, ensuring consistency across AI projects. In prompt engineering, there isn't one AI tool that's best for every task. The right choice depends on what you want to achieve. If your goal is content creation, tools like ChatGPT and Claude are excellent for generating ideas, writing articles, emails, marketing copy, and creative content. They help you produce high-quality drafts quickly and improve your writing productivity. For research, platforms like Perplexity AI and Gemini are better suited. They can search across multiple sources, analyze information, provide up-to-date insights, and help you understand complex topics with reliable references. When it comes to office productivity, Microsoft Copilot is the ideal choice. It integrates directly with Microsoft 365 applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, helping automate everyday tasks, generate reports, analyze spreadsheets, and create presentations faster. For automation, platforms like Zapier, Make, and N8N allow you to connect AI with different applications. You can automate repetitive workflows, trigger actions between multiple tools, and saves significant time without manual effort. The key takeaway is simple. Understand your objective first, then select the tool that best matches your workflow. By choosing the right AI platform for the right task, you can improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall productivity. Conversational AI includes the most popular tools used in everyday prompt engineering. These platforms allow users to interact with AI using natural language to generate content, answer questions, solve problems, and improve productivity. ChatGPT by OpenAI is ideal for content creation, coding, brainstorming, and business writing. Gemini by Google is best for research, Google Workspace integration, and multimodal AI tasks. Claude by Anthropic excels at long document analysis, summarization, report writing, and professional communication. Microsoft Copilot integrates with Microsoft 365, helping users work faster in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Choosing the right conversational AI tool depends on your task, but understanding all of them makes you a more effective prompt engineer. Research and development tools help prompt engineers test, explore, and deploy AI solutions more effectively. Perplexity AI is ideal for search and research with reliable, source-based information. Google AI Studio lets you test prompts, experiment with AI models, and compare responses. Vertex AI is Google Cloud's platform for deploying, managing, and scaling AI applications. Hugging Face provides access to open-source AI models for exploring, testing, and building AI solutions. Together, these platforms support the complete AI development process, from research and prompt testing to model deployment and application development. Developer and automation tools help extend AI into software development and business workflows. GitHub Copilot assists developers by generating code and providing real-time coding suggestions. Zapier connects different applications to automate workflows without coding. Make offers a visual platform for creating powerful automation workflows. N8N is an open-source automation tool that gives developers greater flexibility and control over AI-powered processes. These tools help automate repetitive tasks, improve productivity, and integrate AI into real-world applications. In this module, we explored 12 essential AI tools across 4 key categories: conversational AI, research, development, and automation. Each category serves a different purpose, from generating content and researching information to writing code and automating business workflows. The key takeaway is simple. There is no single best AI tool. The best choice depends on your task and objectives. As a prompt engineer, your goal is to understand the strengths of each platform and select the right tool for the right job to achieve the best results efficiently. Let's summarize what we've learned. First, become familiar with the major AI tools, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Perplexity, Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, Hugging Face, GitHub Copilot, Zapier, Make, and N8N. Second, remember that each tool has a different strength. Some are best for content creation, others for research, coding, or workflow automation. Always choose the tool that matches your task. Finally, the most effective prompt engineers don't rely on just one platform. They combine multiple AI tools to build smarter, faster, and more efficient solutions. Thank you for joining this module on tools and platforms in prompt engineering. We explored the most important AI platforms, learned their strengths, and discovered how to choose the right tool for different tasks. As AI continues to evolve, staying updated and practicing with these tools will help you become a more effective prompt engineer. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep building. Thank you, and see you in the next module.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Ready to take your AI skills to the next level? Enroll in our self-paced Prompt Engineering Mastery Beginner to Advanced course and learn how to create powerful AI prompts using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and more. Build industry-ready prompt engineering skills, explore real-world AI workflows, and stay ahead in the AI revolution, all at your own pace. Use coupon code to get 15% off today. Scan the barcode or visit the course page now to start your journey into prompt engineering.